Hello everyone, we are going inside Ikea today. So today I'll be showing you, let's consider this as a part 2 of my previous shop with me at Ikea where I took you in the marketplace. So today we'll be going more in detail with the furniture section. So these dressing tables are new, they are 179, and I think these could be great even for use as a study table for the kids, and these are bamboo, so that was the only color option they have. So now going into their showroom area, that's what they call. They have lots of option for these storage boxes. So these are a new style. They are $14.99 for a single box. These are the dimensions, and they have the beige and the gray color option. For their winter collection, IKEA is doing a lot of dark green items. So these throw so beautiful for $9.99, and they also have this beautiful tassels, would complement any living room, family room, or even bedroom. As you can see, they have used in here for these are a little bit of heavier duty, I will say, and they are $16.99. Always check out their lamps. They have the floor lamps, the table lamps at a very affordable price. So this one was $44.99. I absolutely love when they have the gold accents. If you have been following me for some time, you know I love the items that have gold accents in them rather than the silver. They also have those boxes in the round shape, so these are like a tower styles. You get 3 for $24.99, and they come only in this beige color option. I showed you guys these sage green soap dispenser. They also have like a toothbrush holder and all to match with it. So pretty. And this mirror again with the gold accent, you have a kickstand and you also have the chain if you want to hang it. So these come two in a pack, but they both are the different size. I'll be showing you the second option that you have for that one was for $16.99. So this is the second one. So you get these two in a pack for $17. You always get very great inspirations from their showroom area. Like, look at that mirror, that would look so perfect in any bedroom or the dress-up closet. Lampshades, this one was $19.99. $8 was for the cord set, so you just get the shade for $20. I thought this one had storage, but it's just a footstool without any storage, $149. Even their cushion covers are really a great quality. This cushion cover is with the buttons on the back, $7.99. And the insert, I'll say, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but I'll say go for this one, the one that is for $8. They are very full as compared to the other ones that they have for $5. Beautiful clock for $19.99. Anything golden, and I just love those items. Beautiful table lamp. So this is again from their winter 2021 collection. These jars, they are so versatile. You can use it in your kitchen, in your craft room. These are some Bluetooth speaker for $149. I don't remember seeing these before. These baskets are also great. They are $9.99 each, and they have the wooden handle. $3.50 for this bookcase, as you can see. I got similar style of cushion covers. It had fur on both the side when I was here last time, and they are very soft and plushy. So I came today specifically to get some white cushion covers, as I have some orders to fulfill and I need those white blank cushion covers. Decorative hourglass, these are $5.99. So if you are having your small business and if you want to personalize, IKEA has lots of these blanks available, like the cushion covers, mats that you can use it for your crafting business. Some more of the throws. I'm loving this dark green color that they have for their Christmas collection this year. These candles are evergreen at IKEA, $1.99. These smell really good. The throw is very settled. I usually have that burning in my kitchen. And the rug, $9.99. They only had this white color option. I'm checking out this section. This shelf was new and I absolutely love the look of it, that I ended up buying 2 of these shelves. And you have the glass shelf, and then you have the net on the side, glass door. $19.99 for this artificial plant. Such a large size of the frame, $14.99. You can even change the picture on the inside if you wish to, but I absolutely love the cabinet. The stool is for $8.99. It has a plastic top. A small office space or a workspace. This magnetic board was, or a memo board was $14.99. I can't believe the price on that one. And 99 cents for some 3-pack of magnets. This system was $4.99. Again, that's such an affordable price. There's a small desk, $69.99. The chair for $39.99. I think that's really a great price. Does not take up much floor space, and the swivel one. Even this bookshelf, just look at the price of it, $27.99. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shelves. Okay, this is such a great buy. You can use it in the kids' play area, or if you have a small study, you can organize your books. These magazine files, these are 2 in a pack. They came out with some new print. They bring out new prints every few months. I have quite a few of those in my craft room, and they are perfect for storing your 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Again, this industrial style shelf unit, it's very great quality. And look at this lantern for block candle for just $6.99. How pretty is that? Some more of the storage boxes. I was not able to find the price of this. So lots of organizing bins, boxes you can find. Even these are great for storing kids' craft supplies. They also have some supplies for the pets, pet bowl, the tray, the brush, step stool. This is $18.99. Again, with their step stool, they just bring out the fancier ones every few months. This tray table, $19.99. Such a great price. Even the tray is like removable for cleaning purpose. Some rugs, $34.99. This one was on wheels, $49.99, but it was just a plastic material. And the love seat, so this one is new. Yeah, this would be perfect if you have your office space or a small study area and you want to put something like a love seat to sit on. So they also had some of their Christmas stuff in this section. So they have the greeting cards, and it is in partnership with UNICEF. So with every purchase, there is a donation being made to UNICEF. You get 12 cards in a pack. These Christmas tree shaped boxes, 2 in a pack, 2 different sizes. These are $6.99. Again, that's from the winter 2021 collection. Some craft bags. And then they have some toys here that would be good for Christmas gift giving. They have this Lego block set, $24.99. It's like a kitchen toy set. And they also have this option for the Lego. Some tumbling towers. Again, Christmas theme. They have the Santa colored, so you can have a hat for Santa. This one was a 3-piece set, and that's for $12.99. The miniature, the house accessories, some storage, the box for kids. They have the pink and the blue color option. You get 3 in a pack for $3.99. I think this is really a great price. And then they have shown how you can use some of this, mainly for storing crayons. But there are lots of things that you can store in these boxes. And they also have some cardstock, $6.99. Lots of different colors to choose from. And then they have some cookies and wine to pair up for your gift basket for Christmas. Lots of plushes. Whenever we come to Ikea, we usually leave with 1 or 2 of these plushes. If my kids were with me, I would have definitely got something. So let's check out this section. This is all the mustard yellow accessories that they had. Again, a throw blanket knit style. Some candles, some fake plants, $24.99. Tree toppers. That one was just $4.99. Looks something like that. Some pack of ornaments. Beautiful colors, $12.99. Some spice jar. These are a pack of 4 for $8.99. Some mixing bowls. They have a few different sizes in this one. This is the largest one that they have. They are all bamboo. Look at these washcloths, just 79¢. And then they have some farmhouse style prints. So you get 2 in a pack. You can frame these for $14.99. Perfect for your kitchen if you have a farmhouse themed kitchen. It's quite a huge chair. Again, they have some more of the plant pots. These came out earlier in spring summertime, $29.99. The net for $29.99. Some shelves, jars. The jars are really a great price at Ikea. So this is how those spice jars look. And these are the options for your sprinkle and pouring. So 2 options for the lids. And there's, you can see they have framed those farmhouse themed the prints. $19.99. Some kids kitchen accessories, the dry food containers. These are $7.99. And these baskets are an amazing quality. Some new ornaments. We did not see these last time. These are 6 in a pack. Some vase with that beautiful dark green color. Some more of the throws. These are all the neutral, the beige color. $14.99. Plant pot in all the green colors. Some outdoor tables, $53, and the chairs were $39. I'll just do a scan over in this section. You can always get very good inspiration from the showroom area. These are some footstool with the storage, and these are now or never, so they are clearing this out at a reduced price of $29.99. Then they had few different color options. How cute is this one for $89.99? More boho look to it. This one was quite a larger size. And then they have this beautiful brown colored ones. Even these are cute, quite smaller, but $99, and they have 5 or 6 different colors to choose from. These are new. It's more like a corduroy material, but again, that one did not have any storage inside. $79.99 for this storage table. Plant pot $4.99. And then they have the mini Christmas tree, and this lights up, so it's in a pot already. So you can see the pot, and then there's the switch for the light up. The calyx units are always the best for storage option in any room, and again, they are so versatile. There are so many different kinds of combinations you can use for them. The shelf was just $20. Watering can $19.99. This was more like the options for kids storage. $280 for this unit. It seemed a little expensive. I think I'm missing something on that. Some more of the plushies, the alligator. Just love some of the bright and vibrant colors that they have for these ascent chairs. So this one is new. The sofa $3.99. Again, that beautiful dark green color. This is the combination price. And then they have again the brown ones. This combination is $13.99. You also get the cheese add-on. Similarly, they have the fabric ones. $6.99. And this one was quite comfortable to sit on. Some more of the throws, the blankets, matching cushion covers, golden candles, some more of the hourglass, but they had like the silver sand in it. And these were a pack of like nesting tables. You get 2 for $2.99. Again, more of a boho vibe to it. And they also have the swashes for the display to feel the texture. For the sofa. Cushion covers, Christmas themed lantern. This is quite unique. $39.99 for this table. Now coming over to their kitchen section. How gorgeous is this table? It's $6.99, and these are oak veneer. And look at this beautiful pendant lights. This one was also now or never for $99. $8.99 for the frame. I love this the table. Some more of the shades of the pendant lights. This is such a nice small table add on to the central island or the kitchen counter. Always check out their pots. They are so fancy, like these, the planter pots. So the plant was $26.99, but the pot was really beautiful. These bench, they have named it as a TV bench, but this could be great in your mudroom. And they also have the dresser style. Again, this would be great in kids nursery if you want, and to put the change table on the top. Bamboo mirrors, these were $34.99 just for one. Some more of the shelf options, these are $25. Some baskets, $17.99. They were anchored on the back, so I was not able to pull them down. That basket says it's new. And even this throw in red color, the knitted option, perfect for Christmas time. This couch option was $7.99. This lamp is also gorgeous, the chandelier or whatever you call it. This one is also new, $2.49 for the armchair. And this lamp, $79.99. Some coffee tables and side tables, $2.99 for this one. It comes with the compartment on the inside for storage. Again, some tray tables with the gold accent, $79.99. I found like lots of new items this time. This one was quite sturdy, $159. The console table, this one was $149. They also have it in the gray color option. Some more of the benches, coffee table. And they also have the tray table on the side, you can see in white color, that we have already seen earlier. I hope I didn't make you guys dizzy. $49.99. So they have two different sizes for the storage tables. How pretty is this color? So this one is now or never in the tray table, you can see. So it's like a deep, the blue, navy blue. This one is also now or never. Sometimes they have really good price on this now and never items. This was Christmas pottery, but you can see they have the tree shaped one in there. Some more of the nesting tables, side tables. Love this blue one, $24.99. And these nesting tables, $79.99. Again, they were in the now or never series. Leg table are always popular at Ikea. They are quite economical. This is more like industrial style looking one. Some domes, candle holder. saw some of these in the previous video. So these ornaments are $16.99. Sorry, I said $12.99 initially, but these are $16.99. Some Christmas themed throw. Here they had like all the gold accents. So they have this, the bowl, the tray, $19.99. The ornaments, again, $16.99 for a pack of 20. And these are all glass. They have some matching frames with the golden trim, some lumbar cushions. Coming over to this side, again some more of the gold accent pieces. They have put those ornaments in the glass dome. That's for $19.99. You can see they have the gold accent for the pulls on the drawers. These are new, and they have quite a few different color options. They have the blue, the teal, or the sea green, and the pink. Again, just doing a scan over on the different storage system. This is mainly all Kallax. You get 4x4, 2x2 options. 4x4 is $199. This is 5x5, $279. And then they also have lots of the insert options for the drawers if you don't want to use their bins, or if you don't want to have that open look for their cubes. And you can have them horizontal or vertical. Some shoe storage. These are the Billy bookcase, but you can also use this for storing your shoes. This entire bookcase by Billy was $355. They also have these kind of inserts, and look at the price on those. The inserts have just $20. This would be great in any craft room to store your vinyl, if you are someone who uses the vinyl. And here are some more of those industrial look shelf units. These are very popular right now. So these are some sideboard units combo. Absolutely love this mirror, $89.99. Love the trim of it, and it matches so nicely this unit. So it has a soft closure. This was the second option. It was the glass doors. And then this one, it says it's new. Love the combination, the black and brown. So $349. And then you have this kind of the storage too. So you have the drawers option too. And then this mirror. So the trim on this one is just the simple. So it's $79.99. I have this storage unit for storing all my blanks in my craft room. I don't have these drawers, but they are just the shelves. I absolutely love them. Now this table was perfectly decorated for the holidays. Look at the chandelier. They have the ornament hanging from there. So it's a 4-candle chandelier, and the price on it was so amazing. Like, I was shocked to see that it was just for $49.99. That's really a great price. And then you can see how they have added all these pieces in the golden specifically. So they have the golden pot, they have the candle holder, some more options of the Billy bookcase. We have some of these frames, the golden ones, and they are really a great quality. And check these light fixtures. So I'm finding this pendant style. The low hanging lights are quite popular right now, and you can also adjust the height of it depending on your ceiling height and the table. Such a pretty color for that, the hutch. Some more options for the table. So this was quite larger in size. All these chairs are new. So this table was $6.99. I'm not sure if this is an extendable one, but it's oak veneer, brown stained, but the center of it Makes me think that it can be extendable or expandable. Some more of the new chairs. These are just in time for Christmas. Beautiful table covers. Lots of new chairs for the dining. And here you can see they have also used the pendant for the bedroom. So it's not only for the kitchen, but you can also accessorize in your bedrooms. A small nook for the study area, perfect for kids' room. The pegboard is $23.99, and this is the dimension 76 by 56. I love there's the file holder or the wall organizer magazine rack that they say for office space, $24.99. And here are some options for the closet. And this mirror, $14.99. The frame was plastic, but it looked really pretty. And these baskets are very popular. You can have it in your bedroom, living room, family room. You can throw some extra cushions, blankets, and that's for $39.99. Some more of the storage box options. So these are $13.99 for a set of 2. So you get 2 different sizes. Now this is like a dream closet. Such a beautiful layout. So this is all the PAX unit that is very popular with Ikea's closet system. But look at the storage space that you get. And how pretty, gorgeous is this tier tray. You can definitely use this in the closet system for organizing your trinkets. The drawer is also perfect for storing your wristwatch, your jewelry, lots of options. And it also comes with the desk and a chair, and beautiful again the pendant lights. And the price on them, so $10 was the cord system, $19.99 for was the pendant, the shade. I'm not sure why they have the table in the closet, but they have the chair and the small table unit, and then they have the white mirror to go with the PAX unit, the dresser with again lots of storage options inside using their storage cubes. If I have this kind of a closet, I will never leave my closet. It's so pretty. So now some more of the mirrors. That was more of a standing style, and some cupboard options, and these are all light up ones, so they light up as soon as you open the doors. That's a very cool feature I like about those. The gnomes, we have seen this in my previous video, but they were running very low in stock for those gnomes. And how pretty are these frame for $29, and this tea light holder for $11.99. Quite heavy and sturdy. Lots of mattress option, but I haven't heard any good reviews about the mattress on Ikea. I myself had really very bad experience when I had to sleep on one of the Ikea mattress at one of our friends' place where we were staying overnight, and the worst experience I had with the Ikea mattress. The Vanity Desk, this is also quite popular, $249. It is by Hemnes. Comes with one drawer, the larger one. Some more of the mirror options. These are perfect for a small space. And here they have some Christmas candles, $3.99 for a pack of 4. and they have this beautiful prints on them. Bunk beds, this one is $229, just the frame, not the mattress or anything. This one is $189, and this one you have bed on the top, and at the bottom you can have like a study area or just some play area. So they have the blackish, the grayish black and the white option for $229. Even this room is so pretty for a little girl, perfectly set up for them. Beautiful lampshade, $29.99. These plates were in clearance section or on clearance, and this platter was $16.99. Some beautiful pendant lights for the kitchen. This is the glass option, and again the price was just right, $49.99. And these are all the dream kitchen. And this one was my favorite amongst all the kitchen layouts, because as you can see it has all the gold accents. So gold knobs, gold faucet, $8.99 for this one. Now in the kids section, I'll just quickly do a scan over. Lots of sports ball, the softer one, the plushy style. Some gnome with a heart. This one was $4.99. You can find lots of kids room, the furniture, decor pieces at a very reasonable price, and you can mix and match. You can get lots of options once you just come in this area, and you can design the whole room for your kids. This one is perfect for 2 kids to share a room. They have the beautiful layout. Some storage bins, some toys, the cash register, the dart game, and some more of the plushies. Even if you are having a little one on the way and you are planning for their nursery, again Ikea has really great economical options for the cribs, change table, mats. These are very popular, $6.99. They are blank, so they are very popular in the crafting industry. So to personalize those mats, how pretty are these cutlery set? They just had this pink option. You get 16 pieces in a pack, and then they had the silver. I was looking for the golden one, but they still didn't have any gold in stock. Some lap trays, gray, white and blue option. Some beautiful print paper napkins. These are $2.99 for a pack. And the cake stand, $14.99. And here were some more of the bamboo, the bowls, but we have seen this in my previous video. This is the LED string light, $19.99, and the tree is $39.99. And this is the larger size Christmas tree, but you can see it's very sparse. It doesn't look full. And I loved these lights, but there was no price tag on it, so I'm not sure if it was just for display or if they are out of stock right now. That's why there was no price tag on it, but there were just 2 of these on the display, and they lit up so well that the camera is not capturing it properly. These are winter 2021 collection, $2.99, bottle with the stopper. How pretty are these lights on the inside? They were $9.99, and they have this beautiful star, the light up one. Some new throws, the cushions, the gift bows. They have the twine, 2 different styles. Gift bags, these are like 25 gift bags. You can make this as like those advent gift bags, 1 bag for each day for the countdown. Some more of the gift boxes. So we saw these, the Christmas tree shaped ones, and these are $4.99, so that's Ikea family price, otherwise they were like $4.99. So they have some of the Santa sack or the drawstring bags. They have this beautiful gnome print one, very simple but very cute. And then they have this one with all the chocolates, the gift boxes, candy cane, and these were $7.99. You can see the Christmas section was so picked over. And how gorgeous is this antique lamp, $29.99, just so perfect. This is also new. That's like a wall decor, and you can put up some frames, picture frames. You can also paint this if you want to match your Christmas colors, and it was $14.99. So they also had the gold tree topper. So I got the silver one from upstairs when we were, but then I changed my mind to get the gold one. Some more of the ornaments. Again, these are all glass. Then this one was a pack of 25, but they had all the same color, and you can see they have used it here. And these clusters are very popular this year. You just combine 3 or 4 different ornaments, make a cluster. Looks really pretty. This is some unique style for the Christmas tree. You can just hang the ornaments, and they are $14.99. Some stockings, they are $7.99. They're quite simple, nothing fancy, with the initial, or not the initial, the gift box. So the potpourri, they also had it in the red color option. We just saw the green, and these are the Santa 97¢ for 2-pack. And this is how it looks once you open it up. So just like an accordion style. Some more of the mini ornaments. How cute are these? Again, these are all just the same color, $4.99 for a pack, and they are all glass. So here are some more options for the clusters. Lots of ways, the plates to match. These are just like this, the cone shaped. I'm not sure what exactly they mean, those kind of ornaments. And here also you can see, as compared to my last video, if you have seen, this section was almost cleared out in their Christmas items. And I'm not sure if they are going to restock on some of those items. But if you are someone who loves shopping at Ikea for the Christmas time, definitely check it out now, because once it's all gone, I doubt they'll restock. The garden house, the greenhouse, were quite pretty. They had white and black option, and these are the plant pots that they usually bring out during Christmas time, the red and the golden. Again, the Christmas tree, that one was for $14.99, we have seen already. And these are the Christmas trees. They are $34.99, artificial ones. And this is a tree topper for $2.99. Love the shape of it. And they only had that gold option. Some new plant stands. These are all new, $9.99. That's really a great price. They have the wooden ones also, and here are those greenhouse, black and white, 2 options. the tea light candle holders. That was the only option they had. Some candle holders. So the houses that we saw in my previous video, they were all sold out. And some more of the tea light, the candle holders. Lots of scented candles. And you can see all that's left is mainly candles in the Christmas section and very few of the decor pieces. And just checking out their as is section, the table was $130, original price $199.99. I thought these were also on like some deal, but I think someone just put it there. This table was $75, and all these lamps, I'm not sure, not all, but I found quite a lot of these on reduced price of $13 instead of the regular $19.99 or $20. This one was from the kids storage area, $120. So sometimes you might find really great items like this display shelf, $62. I think it retailed somewhere around $89-$90. And here you can see there are so many lamps. I think they were just returned and they are for $13 right now. And look at this one, $18 from $41 price. Maybe there would be some scratch, some dent, but if it works for your project, I will say definitely check out their as is section. They also had this pumpkin on clearance. So I hope you all enjoyed today's shop with me at Ikea. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.